Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 208 in the active specification. So this car has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You also get DAB digital radio, there's air conditioning, and the car's done less than 14,000 miles. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.